Good morning. My name is Tanu Virmani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS Speaking Test. Can you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Gurveen Kaur.
What should I call you?
You can call me Gurveen.
Can I see your identification?
Yeah, here it is.
Let's talk about technology. Do you use technology every day?
Yeah, technology play a very important role in my life. Um, and nowadays, uh, yeah, I use the technology in my daily life. I use the smartphone, internet, various apps.
What technology do you use the most?
Uh, most of the time I spend on my phone, on the social media apps like Instagram, WhatsApp.
Has technology changed your life?
Technology changed my life in various ways. Firstly, before 2 years, I was studying just from books, but now I read the electronic books, and also the apps like AI help me a lot in studies.
Do you think people rely too much on technology?
Yeah, I think that because nowadays people do all the work by using technology, like they do the grocery online, and if there is any meeting or anything, they can do the online meetings. So
What kind of weather do you like?
um my I like the summer weather because in summers I like to go outside with my family in park and gardens.
Does the weather affect your mood?
Um, yeah, I think that because when it was raining outside, I don't like. I feel very sad when it was raining outside.
What is the weather like in your city?
Uh, Mostly in my city, the weather is raining or snowing.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Uh, as I told earlier that my favorite weather is summer, so I prefer summer because in summers I can go out on vacation with my families, and also I like to go for a walk in summers.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can also make notes if you wish. If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Please start speaking now.
Um, I usually I like to learn new skills, but the skill that I would like to learn in future is public speaking. Well, I do the communication skill very well, but I feel uncomfortable when there are a lot of people in front of me. The main reason to for learning this skill is that uh, I do is that because when I go outside, the people want when the people try to talk with me, I feel very uncomfortable. And also, I think if I learn that skill, this will help in my professional field also.
हाँ हाँ वो
Um, Moreover, I think speaking helped me to express my thoughts in front of people.
Would you like to add something?
And Now I would like to join the classes to improve my public speaking. Mm, like, that's it.
Let's talk about skills. Why is it important to learn new skills?
Mm, I think it is very important to learn new skills because because learning new skills, it will help to increase our confidence, and it even motivate the person. Moreover, um, moreover.
Do you think people learn better alone or in groups?
I think, like, I am an introvert person, so according to me, I think people learn better alone because they can concentrate in a peaceful area. Moreover, they can learn according to the way in which they want. Like, some people are slow learners, so they can learn according to their level.
What skills are most important for success today?
I think the most common skill for success today is a communication skill. If a person has a communication skill, he or she will succeed in his life. Moreover, they can grow in their professional career because they have the ability to tackle any situation and even talk with persons.
Do you think future jobs will require new skills?
Yeah, I think that because due to the technology, person also require the new skills to learn, like how to use the apps like AI and
How can school help students learn practical skills?
um, school play a very important role in every person life. So school can organize uh, in the on the weekends. School can organize some camps, or they can help the children in the communication skills, increase their confidence, and motivate them to do the public speaking.
Do you think traditional skills are still important?
Um, traditional skills like respecting the persons, respecting our older persons, helping. I think the traditional skills are also important. Like we have to respect our elders, helping the other persons. Um that's
So that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much, Gurveen. Basically, traditional skills are realigning the culture.
okay.
Okay, so let me just give you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be updated on your portal. So your
Mhm.
estimated band is band 5. I observe
Mhm.
that you're able to communicate only the basic ideas. There are major issues, that is your fluency, your confidence, and your idea development. There are very frequent, there are long pauses even before and during the answers also. The answers are very short and even often incomplete. You struggle to continue speak without stopping. So just maintain your flow of speech. But you use repetition a lot. जिसकी वजह से
Yeah.
आपकी speech बहुत slow हो जाती है and there are pauses also, right?
Mhm.
And there's very limited vocab because of frequent repetition of the same words. So it's difficult for you to express your ideas clearly. Grammar
Yeah.
range, if I talk about grammatical range, you mostly use the basic sentences. There are frequent grammar error also. So produce basic sentences form and try to reduce those errors. Focus on the complex sentences more. Speech
Mhm.
is clear, but due to hesitation, sometimes it's the clarity is not there. ठीक है? So please
Mhm.
try to focus on these things so that you can improve. Keep speaking, but without that hesitation. Okay?
Okay. Mhm.
Keep on
Okay.
practicing. Wish you all the best.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.